Hey guys, welcome back to Group 2 YouTube channel. So we're just going to give you guys a quick update on this E46 M3 restoration project. So to give you guys a quick update, the first thing we did was replacing the rod bearings in this car. Second was rebuilding the vanel system, and third was reinforcing the rear subframe. Mechanically, this car is done and we took it to 2 track days at the Ridge and it performed amazing. Since then, we actually reupholstering the whole interior of this car, but we're going to show you guys on a separate video with more details. This car was in such a rough condition. Luckily, we have Gavin from Gavin's Auto Detailing to help us restore the car, whether it be carpet, dashboard, anything that's dirty.
So here we have this beautiful E46 and to be more beautiful. Right here we have our done carpet. This one, of course, we started out by vacuuming, get all the big chunky stuff out of there. Then next you come in and go with your concentrated cleaner. And I like to use it in this Tornado. These guys are awesome. If you're a detailer, you must have that. This car, it's been made in 2003. These are the original carpets still. Thankfully, we were still able to restore them without damaging. Here, of course, is the more restored section. It's not quite to my standards yet, but we're getting there. And this section over here, of course, is the worst out of the 2 sides. This one, I believe, also had a little bit of water damage, but we're gonna hopefully be able to get all of this out, and it's gonna look exactly just like the other side is. From a parts car of an E46 that we have convertible, we have taken out the dash and all that from that car and integrated it into this car. Of course, that car being a parts car was a little dirty, so I had to take this guy, do a full deep clean again with the Tornado, same solution that I'm using for the carpets. Very effective. Get a little brush action in there too, and then at the end smack it with a little bit of conditioner, and here we are. This nifty little tool here, you can decide whether or not you want just air or you want to use your solution. Nice thing with this guy, when you get your air going, you grab a towel, put it just at the end. There you have it. Some more progress to some more beautiful E46. And you may just find that you end up with little dirt clumps and whatnot. I like to just kind of wait until I finish more of the job, wait until it dries a little bit, vacuum that stuff back out, and you're good to continue. So once we're all finished and cleaned up with this guy, we'll maybe set a fan in there and let it all dry out. But in the meantime, we'll check in on some other parts amongst this E46.
I'm really excited about replacing the exterior of this car. Gavin here is going to tell us what he's done to these beautiful panels.
So with these exterior pieces, it was quite a long process, but very enjoyable. With this guy, we took it from its factory setting, you could say, sanded it all down, primed it, painted it, clear coated it. Once it was done with that, we brought it back here, got all the inclusions out with some little sanding, sanded all of this, 3000, 5000. We went in there and did a lot of heavy correcting compound, heavy correcting pads. In the end, once it was all finished, what we did was throw some ceramic coating on, and that ceramic coating is just gonna help protect all this long and enjoyable work that was done.
Gavin, can you tell us the difference between this panel and this one?
So first off, you get plastic and metal. So the difference there is with your metal, you're gonna be able to figure out and tell how much paint you have left on there, how much more you can go. With the plastic, I liked to see what I got as results on here, as far as how far I was buffing it to paint and metal ratio, and then I could differ how long and how strenuous I could take the plastic.
This piece right here is gonna replace this ugly panel. So after putting the exterior panel and interior back in this car, we can mark this Project M3 complete. Please stay tuned for the reupholstery video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.